curtain bangs. Love it. So pretty. Da-da-da. This is the latest bangs, everybody, for 2018. And I call them the curtain bangs. A lot of people call them curtain bangs because they kind of fall into your eyes. And you could part them like this, you know, like curtains. Or you could part them like to the side. I just love them because when you put your hair up like this, it just looks like you're really, you know, styled. Versus, you know, you look beautiful even though your hair is just pulled back. So I'm going to show you how you can use this using the CreaClip to cut your hair. And I have the CreaClip Pro that I designed, and then I have the original CreaClip in blue. So all you have to do is just gather your bangs. There you go. This is your bangs right here. Put these little ones there. So you take these. Makes it really easy because you can clip all your hair together at once. Okay. And then you slide it down and you trim. So I like to do that 2 times. Like I clip it and into the hair like this, and then slide it down. And what this does is it has the teeth. Can you see there? It has teeth, and it combs the hair each time, and it holds the hair, secures it in place so that you can get it level. So you can hold it and cut. Yeah. And so I put in a level there so that if you wanted to do straight bangs, you would just slide it down to about there, and then you'd cut along the guide. But I'm going to show you a new technique. It's my curtain bangs, CreaClip curtain bangs. And so a lot of people don't know this technique because it's new. So this is what you do. You're going to clip it this way, okay? Lock it into place, and then you're going to slide it a little bit and twist. You know why? Why we twist? So that it creates long on the sides. So you get the level in the middle like that, and I'm going to slide it down a little bit because we're just going to be trimming. I don't want to cut it too short, and usually bangs need to be trimmed every 3 weeks. So you're just trimming every 3 weeks. You're not cutting a ton off. And we want them long so that like they fall sexy, you know, side swept look too with the bangs. Sometimes you can cut this way so that you can do the blunt look, but I like it always in the angle like this, and that creates that soft textured look. So this is all you need to trim every 3 weeks, okay? And then you slide it off like this. Ta-da! It creates that angle around the face, and you can either get the comb, you can either wear them like this. See how it just falls nicely around framing the face like that, or you can even like wear them like this, or you can just toss it like this and have that messy look. But that's how you trim your bangs with the CreaClip. Doesn't that look good and easy? And if you want it to be shorter, you can go back and trim some more, but I just recommend 1/2 inch each time, and you can maintain your bangs and cut your hair at home and save money. So great for bangs, cutting kids' hair. You can get this at CreaProducts.com. Please tell everybody, tag everyone if you like this product. Aloha.